July 3rd, 2011, and it's raining. That's right, one day away from the 4th of July, and it's raining out here in Seaside Park. And we don't know what we're going to do today because it's raining. Drizzle, drizzling out here. It's drizzling out here on the 3rd of July, huh? Drizzling out here. Lucky Leo's, now we're getting out of Lucky Leo's, now we're leaving Lucky Leo's, now we're going to go somewhere else. Let's keep moving out on the boardwalk into the rain. People waiting to get on the beach on this rainy day, rainy, cloudy day, and people still, there's a line a mile long just to get on the beach. Just to pay to get on the beach.
Jersey Shore bear.
Jersey Shore teddy bears, Jersey Shore. There? I guess so.
Am I on them?
What else are you gonna get?
What am I on? I had them.
But to repeat after me. I am a claw machine loser. Repeat after me. I am a claw machine loser.
Maybe you are.
You lost. You lost my Angry Bird. I wanted that Angry Bird and you dropped it. That look yummy. You like some of that candy? What would you want? Some fudge? What do you like? Fudge?
No, I don't like that.
Saltwater taffy? Boy, too bad you're not gonna. Today, a walk in the boardwalk. Who will see today? Snooky, Dina, J-Well, Paulie, D. Who are we gonna see today? Stay tuned and we'll find out.
I got one hot dog.
Good?
Yeah, I got right. Yeah.
That's good.
Yeah.
Semi-cloudy, still people on the beach. What do you say? We take a little walk? Back here? What do you want to do? Take a little walk. Take a little walk, take a little walk. People are waiting. That's right, the sun is finally out today. The sun is out. What do you think? The sun's out today? The sun's out today. Now we can sit out here in the sun and watch people go by, and what else are we going to do? I don't know. Wait for Snooky to come by again. Maybe we'll see Snooky again. The sun was shining. The sun was shining out here. Now it went under again. The sun went under. Like, it's behind some clouds. Sun's behind some clouds. Still a nice night out. Still a nice evening. That's right, more seagulls on the beach on Sunday. A little bit of rain here, get some rain here. The sun was shining. Well, the sun went under now. There's no sun, and now it's raining, and now we're gonna watch the rain come down. And visit us, Seaside Reynolds, on Facebook.
Well, hold still, turn around. Oh, no, no, no. There you go.
Visit us on Facebook. All right. That's right, shout out time. It's shout out time. Hey, time for shouting out. That's right, shout out time. Shout outs to Kevin and Angie and Selena. Hey, thanks for stopping by. Okay, good night, folks. See you tomorrow.